have to go to BMW now because I get a pinky girl said she wants a car. So I want to go see it. What a BMW? Has she said what?
BMW, but top. I forgot.
Police are a transformer.
Top, BMW.
Okay.
Those are only 2 requirements that I remember.
Yeah, I mean, she's not here, so I'm not going to stop my plans. If I don't get this car now, I've budgeted for it. The time is now. I won't get any other opportunity to get it. And the fact that she's not here pisses me off a little bit. I might even change my damn mind. This car suits me. Sefiso, how can I go to windshield? You know, I've always dreamed of having a sports car, a drop-top sports car. This one is super cute, so who knows? I mean, dark.
So stunning. It only makes sense, eh?
Do it. I'm not a fan of electric cars, you know? What if you're driving to Durban and it decides to like, I don't know, it's not charged? No.
Hey, good morning.
Hi, how are you,
My name is
Michael? Nice to meet
Welcome to
you.
Auto Bavaria.
How does anyone get into an IA?
Can I show you now?
Yes.
You see it like this?
Oh, then you
And-
twist. Oh,
There we are. Easy.
Michael, this is a wonderful car.
You wanna have it now? It's all yours.
Do I have to pay for it? I mean, I used to drive a 125i in my little hot days. I loved that car. It was white, 2-door. Very sexy, actually. I don't miss it, though.
Thank you. There we are.
Wow. So I'm just happy that Michael is prepared, you know, that everybody is prepared. They know exactly what car we're looking for. And to have it here ready for us, so convenient. Yeah, I mean, I might just take this car for myself, actually. Because the person after you and I do the numbers, I'm going to ask her to come here to do a test drive.
No problem.
Tell me if she feels comfortable. If not, then we start this process again with another car.
Then, if not, we'll hook her with that.
I